Since nearly 40 years now, Karcher has a cultural sponsoring program where we are cleaning monuments all around the world for free. A big advantage of the dry ice blasting is also that it's more or less a very clean cleaning method, because we are not producing any kind of wastewater or detergents which have to be removed from the ground, or abrasive as a blasting powder. So that's why, because the dry ice pellets are going directly from hard to gas, so they're going back in the atmosphere, and that's why we are not producing any waste.
The National Museum of Anthropology is the most important museum in Mexico and in Latin America, and as well is the most visited one. We have more than 2 million visitants per year, and that is enough reason to take care of the place. Not only because of the collections that we have here, the most important collection in pre-Hispanic art in the world, but also the ethnographic collection and all the pieces that we have in here.